Hello, my dear viewers.
Hello, my dear viewers. Hello, my dear viewers.
Kindly forgive me because of the problem in my mic. Uh, I'm trying to do something about it, but for the time, there is nothing coming up. I will be using my other mic to do this webinar. Okay. So this is your friend. You can call me Rakesh. I'm your host here. Please do not confuse me as an employee of Vikas Copy. I am not their employee. My name is Rakesh, and I'm your host here. I'll be doing the price action analysis in front of you right now. It will take some around 15 to 20 minutes, and together we will see how the price is going on the Thursday. Well, today is 23rd of May, as you can see on your screen. And let's go through the charts. But before going to the charts, let me introduce myself a bit. That whatever I'm going to tell you about here, it has nothing to do with the Dukas Coffee Bank, first of all, because I'm an independent analyst, and these are my views and ideas. It has nothing to do with the Dukas Coffee, and I'll be only doing the technical analysis. I have very less information about how the fundamentals work, but I know how the charts work. So we focus ourselves on the charts, the area of I'm sorry, but my device is getting connected and disconnected again and again.
Sorry, but my device is getting connected.
And there's a problem with that. You can hear that, I think. Let me just quickly open the charts for you. Guys, if this problem with the mic keeps happening, then we will just stop the webinar today. I'm starting it again from the charts. So here are your charts. I have just got connected, and you can see this is the daily chart of the US dollar index. And I may not get a feedback if my microphone stops because it is stopping without telling me. So in case find that my mic is not working, so please let me know in the chat. Okay. Thank you very much. So this is the dollar index. I'll just share the levels which are important this week or the next week. We have seen that the US dollar has started a down move, and from this down move, you can check this down move will be negated only and only if the price goes above this previous high of 105.61. You can see that, yes? So this is the high that I mentioned, right? The price made low and then again made another low, and in between these two lows, this low and this low, this is the valid high. So if this is the valid high, this becomes our swing high. So till the time the swing high is held, we can be looking for the selling option. So if the price is going higher, do not be afraid and let it go higher, no problem. Okay, no problem. Let it go higher. But when it breaks to the downside, that is our option. That is our opportunity to go short with a target of 103.62 on the downside. So this may be a bullish pin bar. This may give you a temptation to go long, but do not go long. Okay, do not look for the long position until and unless the price stays above 105.61. That is what you have to see. All right. Okay. So that is the resistance, and then where is the support next week? The next week's support is 103.60. Let's see if that comes next week or not. Now something is critical here. Well, US dollar has started going up, and that's why maybe pound has started going down. It was going up very fast in this week, but eventually it has seen an inside bar today, and tomorrow or day after, or maybe on Monday next week, 1.2634 may be seen on this market. But I'm not bearish on this market. Okay, I'm still bullish on this one. This may be a pullback to this level, maybe, or maybe if you want to draw a channel. Although I'm not very fond of the channels right now, but if you join these two, say low and this high, you may be expecting the price to come back to this area. That can act as a good option for you to buy. If you can place all the odds in your favor, one is this horizontal level, second is this rising channel, and then if you can say you can match a Fibonacci number from this rise to this rise. So you will see that somewhere around 38% is coming along on this area. So 1.2640 becomes a sweet spot for us to open a buy position, and like this, okay, if that happens, and targeting this 1.2803. This may be our next target on this. So keep an eye on this GBPUSD. Your support may be sitting around 1.2634, the resistance being 1.2803, and the next level of support on the downside is 1.2445. Euro dollar, very bullish pair, but right now it is trying to trade lower. So this may be potential support where the price has just tested today. See, last high was here 1.0812, and today's low is 1.0812. Is it a coincidence? No, it is not a coincidence. It is what happens every time. Okay, so tomorrow there is a possibility that it will trade lower, but to what extent it can go? It can go to an extent of 1.0723 without me jumping in and pushing the trigger. Okay, it can go all the way up to here before I make a trade in this one. But yeah, till the time it doesn't cross below 1.0723, I will not be looking for the shorting opportunity. I will only be looking for the long opportunity. So keep an eye. You want to long this pair, you don't want to short this pair. Okay, euro is a very bullish pair right now. You don't want to go short in this one. So if you want to go long in this one, at what level can you go long? So if we start the swing from here, okay, with this, you can expect a long around here. Now you might be thinking, okay, Rakesh, if we are looking for a long opportunity here, then why don't you short here and let it run to this? Because I don't know. This may also be an area of support, and the price can go like this, yes, or it can go here and then go like this. Now it is about stacking the odds in your favor. Here, what are the odds in your favor? One is this resistance line, which will be acting as a support. Okay, one. Second is this channel support line. Third is this horizontal level. Fourth, if you stack a Fibonacci, you will have something here. This is first rise, this is the second rise. So this rise I think will not be good, but yes, this can be some 60% or something. So it is 62%. That is the golden, you can say, retracement level. Yes. So there are multiple reasons. If you get the price at 1.0723 area, you don't want to buy it, that's your problem. Okay, you can keep a small stop loss below 1.0723, and you can like 20 point stop loss with a target of almost 1.0942. Who doesn't want that? Or I hope you got it right. So this is the potential buy area with a target of 1.0942. Why I'm going for 1.0942? Because above the previous high, I want to target it. What about the Australian dollar? Something similar is happening. It looks like in the first instance, it looked like, okay, the price has started selling off. No, it's not selling off. In the time the price doesn't drop below 0.6558, we are not selling this market, guys. Okay, yes, potential resistance is okay, here around 0.6714. So keep that in mind. Okay, now I will quickly cover up all the points. Here also you can see that the price is trying to go lower, but I am believing that the price in the longer run will go higher only. And even if it starts going lower, I'll be selling this market only below 0.5981. This is New Zealand dollar that I'm talking about. All right. USD CHF, I booked profits in the short, and now the price is going high. Anyways, what is the maximum level that the price can go? I'm looking for 0.9224 on the high side. Well, the support is very far, 0.9005. Closing below would have opened the position, opened the way for the downward move, but that has not happened. So we are expecting now 0.9224 in this one. And if the price starts going lower, then these horizontal levels I'll be looking for the buying opportunities. So I can move all these things, okay? And so what we are looking for here, we are actually looking for these price marks, these marks. So 0.9102 is what I'm expecting to act as a support if the price comes down. USD CAD, finally a breakout from the falling channel. Now this breakout, you can trade the high of this and let it go till 1.3785, but in that case you will have a very big stop loss. See, very big stop loss, because your stop loss will essentially come down to this level. So why don't you break it out on a 4-hour, low time frames, and look for a buying opportunity in this one. So at these highs, when the price comes back, you can, or otherwise you can have this level gap where you can look for the buying opportunities with the target of 1.6785. Well, how you trade it, that's your problem. But how to keep the levels on your chart? So these are the levels that you should keep an eye on. One is this and one is this one also. Here. And now it is a tradable asset. Now it has finally started moving. So any opportunity that you can grab it for the long side, and with the risk that you're comfortable, you should be looking for the buying opportunity. USD JPY, something like similar. I think it's called a W pattern. Once this breaks, the first target is the previous high, that is 160.2. 2.20. So look for that, but not today. Not today. Second. Yeah, next week or next week you can expect that. From the market structure point of view, I think the price is just consolidating between this high and this low. Till the time the price is trading between these two levels, you cannot be sure where the market is trying to go. New Zealand CAD, well, we have discussed it yesterday, we have discussed it today. So we are looking for 0.8414, and which is, I think, very much possible now. The price has traded higher than this, so upper level is exposed 0.8414, and I think even higher than that is exposed now, because we are talking about the New Zealand dollar against the Canadian, which is Canadian dollar is falling very fast, and you see this is a breakout, consolidation, a lot of consolidation, a breakout again, a little of consolidation, and this is a third breakout. So don't you think that it will go towards 0.8819? I think exactly that. I think that the price is headed towards 8818. So this is again a breakout, retest, and I think this is the target that you should be looking for. First target, and later on you can also target 8819. Okay, so keep an eye on these notes. Bitcoin, well, a breakout consolidation, so expect an up move anytime sooner. And if the price breaks, say, below this level of 65,919, in that case, you don't want to buy Bitcoin, or you don't want to keep Bitcoin for that matter. Brent, low targets are possible. We have talked about this earlier also, that if this low breaks, then we are looking for the low targets, and that low seems to be breaking. 81.11 was the target on the downside. That is achieved twice, once here, once here. So what was the low here? Here the low was 81.08. Today, what is the low? Today the low is 80.98. So we have achieved this target twice after striking 84.61, which is a very critical resistance. And now that resistance seems to be breaking, sorry, that support of 81.11 seems to be breaking. Any close below this level will actually open up the way for 76.66, which you want to target. Okay, the lower prices are very much possible in this one, because this long-term trend line is broken, and this trend line started at 72.33. So expect the prices to go back to 72.33 very soon. Finally, gold also started moving lower. Don't you think that there is a huge sell-off happening here? Yes, huge sell-off is happening. Price trading below this low of 23.32, you start looking for the selling opportunities. Why? One is double top. I'm not sure that the double top is broken or not yet, and for that you have to go below this one, 22.77. But sweep of the liquidity above this high and all these previous high, that means now at least sellers are out of the market. Okay, those who have their stop losses here, they're out of the market. So if they're out of the market, I become the seller. Okay, if I become the seller, I'll take out every seller on the way, and I'll keep eating up the stop losses of the buyers. So this is how the bigger markets work. So first stop loss will be below this low. If that is taken out, boom, then you start looking for the selling opportunities. Okay, you don't want to hold this if the price drops below this. Okay. Nasdaq, nothing much. Sorry, not Nasdaq. It's Nikkei. Nothing much here. The price is moving in this channel. Till the time it is moving in this channel, we keep the longs. When it breaks to the downside, we exit the longs. Simple strategy. Right? Euro JPY. It is also slowly and steadily going upward, but this is within the range. I think the sellers are looking for another opportunity to go short in this market. I'll be keeping a close eye on the Euro JPY. Right now, there is no trade for me in the Euro JPY. It is already at a very high level for us to go long. Shorting opportunity, we don't see anything. GBP AUD, yes, 1.9313, first target. And actually, second target, 1.9510. Pound is very much bullish, very strong, stronger than the Australian dollar. So this target is imminent, 1.9313. It can happen tomorrow, it can happen next week, but this is imminent. Later on, I am also expecting the high targets of 1.9510. This was under pressure for a long time when the Australian dollar was going strong and the pound was getting weak. But now pound is stronger, and you can see the power of the pound. CHF I'm bearish in the longer run. The price is consolidating. I am expecting it to move lower with a small spike higher and then move lower. I'm expecting 169.56 and even the lower prices of 167.30 and even lower prices of 162.12 in the longer run. So I'm expecting franc to go down against the Japanese yen, but today it is different story. This is a green candle. So can it be used as a buying opportunity? No, it can only be used as a selling opportunity. That's it. Or in New Zealand. Did we expect the price to move lower? Yes. Is it moving lower? Yes. Did we trade it? No, we did not trade it. This was the first fair value gap on the daily. This was the second fair value gap, but we did not trade either. And we are looking for the low targets of 1.0570 in the longer run, of course. So any high or any guys in this Australian versus New Zealand should be seen as a selling opportunity. All right. I hope my volume is still, I'm still audible. So that's all, guys, from my side. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me that in the chat box. And if you want to say hello, hi, anything, you can say that also right now. All right, guys, I hope you know about the support and the resistance levels that are of interest in the coming hours and days. Just remember to only risk less than 1% of your capital on any single trade and look for a potential profit of more than 3 times the risk that you're going to take. Now, with this note, I shall end this live stream. Please press the like button if you find this useful for you. You can actually leave your suggestions in the comment section and consider subscribing to the channel for more such webinars. Have a good day. Thanks very much for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.